Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6 String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers. Okay, so this is a slightly simplified version to the original. The original song uses seventh chords. In this one, we're just using regular major and minor chords, okay? Just because it's a little bit more straightforward. And if you're really new to the guitar and certainly new to fingerpicking, this is going to be a nice, easy version to learn, but still sounds fantastic. So the first part, there's only 2 parts of the song, but the first part goes like that. So the chords A minor, and then E minor, G, and back to A minor. So let's break that down. Hold down your A minor chord, and the whole pattern throughout the whole song is just bass note, and then we're going to use our first finger, second finger, and our third finger to play strings 2, 3, and 4. So hold down A minor and play the 5th string with the bass, and then strings 2, 3, and 4, like that. So, and just do that twice. Okay, that's all you do on the A minor, and then the E minor chord comes along, and all you have to do is lift off your first and your third finger from your A minor chord, and you just really, all you need is the 2nd fret held down on the 4th string. So you're holding that down, and this time the bass note, because we're playing E minor, is the low E string. So you're going to play that, and then again play strings 2, 3, and 4. And that's all you do. So that's it. So from the A minor, E minor, and then for your G chord, all you really need to hold down is the 3rd fret on the 6th string, and it's good to use your 3rd finger for that. Play that bass note, and then again play strings 2, 3, and 4 together. Okay, so you've gone. And then that just links back to A minor. We play bass, which is the 5th string, of course, and then strings 2, 3, and 4 again. And then it goes round again. So here it is, nice and slow. So learn that, really take your time, practice it round and round and round, and when you're ready, start building up the tempo to the speed of the original recording, which is about . So in the song, you go through that progression twice. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. And then you get ain't no sunshine when she's E minor, D minor, and then back to your A minor, E minor, G, A. So we've got an E minor chord and a D minor chord, 1 bar on each. So you just want to hold down your E minor chord, and all you need is the 2nd fret on the 4th string. That's all you need. And again, it's the same pattern. So it's the bass note, and then strings 2, 3, and 4. And this time fill out the whole bar. So you do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the same thing on a D minor chord. So we hold down a D minor chord. Okay, and then this time we're going to be playing the 4th string in the bass, and then strings 1, 2, and 3 together. So it's the same idea, bass and then fingers. And again, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you put that together, D minor. That's all it is, and then it's back to the other progression, which is, remember, A minor, E minor, G minor, and A minor. That's how you play the whole song. That just goes round and round. I'm not sure exactly how many times. Just listen to the song, and in the bridge, that I know, I know, I know, I know. You're not playing anything at all. You just sit out for that part, and that's it. Okay, and then it comes back in with. After the bridge. So there you go. That's how you play Ain't No Sunshine. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Check out some of the other videos I have here on my channel. And if you really want to take your playing up a level, then try out one of my fingerstyle guitar courses, which you can do completely for free when you join my mailing list. So if you're interested, the link to that is in the description. But until next time, thanks a lot.